One of the things we did to make the bank easier to install is we gave it a powered drive system, enabling it to not only go across the parking lots or driveways, but it can also handle heavier terrain around the backyard, up hills, up ramps into vehicles, etc. With a simple twist of the throttle, the bank unit will drive itself. The installation of the bank is very simple and straightforward. First, your electrician needs to install a 30 amp twist lock plug coming off of your main house panel. Then, all the emergency loads you wish to back up get pulled out of your house panel and get put into a sub panel. That sub panel will also have a twist lock plug connected to it for the input from the bank. To interconnect the bank, simply need to connect the two twist lock cables. First, the input. This is the power coming from your main panel. And this will connect to the AC input plug on the bank. To connect the bank's output, simply connect the twist lock plug to the AC output. And then connect that to the input for the sub panel, which has all your emergency loads. Once the bank is connected, powering it up is very simple. Turn on the main breaker. Turn on the switch on the main panel. The unit will power up in battery mode. We then turn on our AC input and turn on our AC output. And now our bank is running in AC or standby mode, powering up all the loads that are connected. And in the event of a power outage, we'll transfer power over to the sub panel in less than 20 milliseconds, which is fast enough to not even interrupt a clock.